Hello, hello. If you don't know me by now, my name is Maria, and today we are doing our October challenge, day 7, where I'll be speaking about underpainting while we do the same scenery, but one has a yellow underpainting and the other has a red underpainting. Underpainting helps you establish the value structure of your artwork. It helps you prevent from overworking your colors. It has a multitude of benefits for your art. Gives greater depth and richness into your colors. It makes sure that your painting is throughout cohesive, and it really makes it a little bit more professional. It can also add a little bit of texture, depending on what you do, of course. I made a little bit of mistake here and I corrected with my finger. Too much water. It happens occasionally. And I like to use an underpainting just because it creates a more harmonious color. You can prepare your highlights with the underpainting. You can create your shadow, where your shadows will be. So it really gives you a more preparation for the painting you are doing. It also prevents for the colors to look muddy or flat, and it just gives a more powerful appearance to the painting. I did a yellow versus red underpainting here, but there are many other colors you can use. I will tell you a little bit more about it later. You can already see the yellow shining through the blue. So obviously yellow plus blue equals green, and that's what we are seeing a little bit on the left hand side. On the right hand side we are putting blue over red. Red and blue gives us a little bit of a purple, and you can already see the different atmosphere it creates. A yellow underpainting can create a warm and vibrant base to the sky and to the mountains. Also, obviously this yellow is very shiny, and you can see it's looking more like a beautiful day. On the other hand, if you put a red underpainting, for instance, in your mountains, it just creates a more deep tone. Now let's see how it reacts with ochre. It made the ochre darker with the red, right? More deep. With the yellow, they are very analogous colors in this case, so we won't see that much difference. My biggest advice is to experiment with different colors and values for your underpaintings and see what you like and what you can create with it. A darker underpainting can create a more dramatic contrast between the sky and the other elements, making the sky appear brighter or more intense. I do prefer the painting on the right in terms of the sky. I did put a little bit too much water again. And I also want to give this tip regarding underpainting. The quality of the watercolors matter. And also, if you keep adding, you will also lose a little bit of the effect of the underpainting. As I said before, the overall mood and atmosphere can really change with the underpainting. I believe a warm underpainting can create a more sense of happiness, but that's, just me. I made a little oopsie here. I should have really let the painting dry a little bit. As I always say, patience is a virtue, one that I don't really have, but working on it. Watercolor is very good for it. That's why I'm always using my trusted hair dryer. And here you can already see such a big difference between a yellow underpainting and the red underpainting. If you are doing a big painting of a scenery, it would be interesting to always do a smaller version like this, just to see the color scheme and what could you use for an underpainting. Now let's let it dry a little bit, add some more details. So I have here 4 ideas about underpainting different 4 colors. I think this is very interesting. Yellow really creates a more vibrant golden sky. A blue underpainting can produce a more dramatic stormy sky. Red, it's a little bit more warm, and a green underpainting can create a more unusual ethereal effect. There I go again with my finger. Little bit of too much water. Does happen when the paper is not very good quality, which is the case as well. And we let it dry, dry, dry. I hope you are enjoying the October challenge. Tomorrow we are painting pears. I try to choose more fall autumn subjects. And I hope you subscribe and keep it up with me. Now I'm going to show you another mistake I did. Yep, a big whoopsie. There we go. I didn't let it dry again conveniently. And look, little rip on the paper. But it's not important. These are exercises for the soul and for the creativity. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you prefer the yellow underpainting or do you prefer the red underpainting? And let me know if you tried this before. Do you have any other suggestion of underpainting? Did I miss something? And I really hope we continue this journey together throughout October. That you maybe like and comment this video to help me out follow my dream. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you.